Meet Leo. He lives in the Philippines, and he just found out he's been selected for a new role in Qatar. He's excited, but he's also thinking about the logistics. Usually, moving across the globe means trying to track down the right offices and figuring out which forms to sign from thousands of miles away. But the first rule Leo needs to know is simple. His new company pays for the process. In Qatar, the law requires employers to cover all recruitment and visa fees. It is illegal for a worker to be charged for their own visa. Everything starts with the employer using a digital portal called Metrash. Because the company initiates the application through this system, Leo doesn't have to spend his first weeks trying to navigate the paperwork by himself. The system is set up to be a guided pathway. The employer handles the administrative heavy lifting, so the worker can focus on the move. Before Leo packs his bags or books a flight, there is one mandatory stop. He needs to visit a Qatar Visa Center, or QVC, right in his home country. This center handles the essential requirements in a single visit. Leo completes a medical check, including blood tests and an X-ray, and provides his fingerprints for the government's records. Leo reviews his employment contract in his own language, seeing exactly what he'll be paid. In the past, workers arrived to find terms changed. Because this contract is signed and recorded at the Visa Center, those terms are permanently locked. When he finally heads to the airport, Leo knows his medical clearance is done and his legal rights are already on the books. Leo arrives in Doha. Now that he's on the ground, his employer is on a very specific legal clock. It's called the 7-day rule. From the moment Leo lands, the company has 7 working days to finalize his official work permit. Once approved, Leo receives his Qatar ID, or QID, official proof of his legal residency. This card unlocks the necessities of daily life, allowing him to rent an apartment, open a bank account, and use local health clinics. The QID is the tool that lets a new arrival move from being a visitor to being an integrated member of the community. With the move finished, Leo's focus shifts to his work. But there's one practical detail that matters most to any worker: ensuring they get paid the correct amount, on time, every single month. To manage this, Qatar uses a digital tracking system called the Wage Protection System. It works by requiring companies to pay salaries electronically through approved banks. The government monitors these transfers to ensure the numbers match what's in the worker's contract. If a payment is late or the amount is wrong, the system flags it automatically. But what if the job simply isn't a good fit, and Leo decides he wants to move on? Qatar abolished the old restrictions that used to prevent workers from changing jobs. Today, Leo does not need a permission slip from his current boss to find a new role. If he finds a better opportunity, he serves his notice period and notifies the Ministry of Labor. After that, he can move to the new company on his own terms. The entire journey, from that first contract review to the electronic payroll, is designed so that working in Qatar is about the career itself. For Leo, it means he can focus on his future, knowing the system is working to keep his rights and his wages secure.